Certainly. Here's a short recipe for lentil and vegetable soup. Ingredients: 1 cup dried green or brown lentils, 1 onion, chopped, 2 carrots, chopped, 2 celery stalks, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 can, 14 ounces, diced tomatoes, 6 cups vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon dried rosemary, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil for sautéing. Instructions: 1. Rinse the lentils thoroughly in cold water and set them aside. 2. In a large soup pot, heat a bit of olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, carrots, and celery. Sauté for about 5 minutes until the vegetables start to soften. 3. Add the minced garlic and sauté for an additional minute until fragrant. 4. Pour in the diced tomatoes with their juices and stir. 5. Add the lentils to the pot and pour in the vegetable broth. 6. Season the soup with dried thyme, dried rosemary, salt, and pepper. Stir everything together. 7. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer for about 25–30 minutes, or until the lentils are tender. 8. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed by adding more salt and pepper. 9. Serve the lentil and vegetable soup hot, optionally garnished with fresh herbs like parsley or a drizzle of olive oil. Enjoy your homemade lentil and vegetable soup.